Hello everyone, welcome to English by Mahesh. Today we will learn important prepositions with their meanings, usages and simple examples. Prepositions series part 4. Understanding prepositions will help you speak fluently and confidently. Stay till the end and let's get started. Into movement towards the inside, used to indicate direction. Example, she walked into the room. He jumped into the pool. Near to, close to something, used to indicate proximity. Example, the school is near to the hospital. She sat near to the window. Next to, directly beside something, used for immediate adjacency. Example, he parked his car next to mine. The library is next to the cafe. Of, belonging to or related to something, used to indicate possession or association. Example, the page of the book are damaged. She is a friend of mine. Of, away from a place or position, used to describe movement or separation. Example, he jumped off the chair. The button came off my coat. On, resting on the surface of something, used to indicate position or time. Example, the book is on the table. We met on Monday. On account of, because of something, used to explain a reason. Example, he missed school on account of illness. The event was cancelled on account of bad weather. On behalf of, representing someone, used to indicate someone acting for another. Example, she spoke on behalf of the team. I accepted the award on behalf of my father. On the basis of, according to a reason or principle, used to justify actions or decisions. Example, he was promoted on the basis of his performance. They selected candidates on the basis of experience. On the condition of, depending on a requirement, used to specify terms. Example, he agreed on the condition of getting a rise. The deal was made on the condition of a mutual benefit on the grounds of, for a specific reason, used for justification. Example, she was dismissed on the grounds of misconduct. The case was rejected on the grounds of insufficient evidence. On the part of, in reference to someone's action, used to indicate responsibility. Example, it was a mistake on the part of the manager. There was no fault on the part of the driver. On the point of, just about to do something, used for immediate action. Example, she was on the point of leaving. The company was on the point of bankruptcy. On the receipt of, upon receiving something, used for formal acknowledgement. Example, payment is due on the receipt of the invoice. He smiled on the receipt of the letter. Opposite, facing something directly, used for location or contrast. Example, the shop is opposite the bank. Their opinions were completely opposite. Opposite to, facing or contrasting, used in comparison. Example, the hotel is opposite to the station. Their values are opposite to ours throughout, in every part, used for time or space. Example, the news spread throughout the country. She remained calm throughout the meeting. Under the cover of, hidden by something, used for concealment. Example, they escaped under the cover of darkness. The plan was executed under the cover of secrecy. Under the guidance of, with someone's direction, used for supervision. Example, he worked under the guidance of a senior engineer. The students performed well under the guidance of their teacher. With reference to, regarding something, used for context. Example, I am writing with reference to your email. The discussion was held with reference to the new policy. With the purpose of, intended for something, used for intention. Example, the meeting was held with the purpose of improving communication. He traveled abroad with the purpose of studying. Let's recap part 4 preposition list. Into, near to, next to, of, on account of, on behalf of, on the basis of, on the condition of, on the grounds of, on the part of, on the point of, on the receipt of, opposite, opposite to, throughout, under the cover of, under the guidance of, with reference to, with the purpose of. That's it for today's lesson. We hope you found this lesson helpful. Practice these prepositions in your daily conversation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.